we're exploring Chiang Mai, Thailand for the very first time. Yay!
We're Jill and Hannah. Last year, we quit our jobs, sold everything we owned, and moved out of our apartment in Nashville, Tennessee. Now we're setting off on a journey to travel the world for as long as we possibly can. After spending 12 amazing days in southern Thailand, we flew north to the old city of Chiang Mai.
We're heading to our first temple now, which is Wat Chedi Luang. I keep stopping and seeing all these cute little things. We're staying in the old city of Chiang Mai, which is over 700 years old. This entire square is surrounded by a moat, and it's pretty small, but I'm pretty sure there's hundreds of temples in here. We are way up in the north of Thailand now, so we're not having a heat stroke like we were in Bangkok, but it's still pretty toasty in the sun.
I see mountains! So we can see the temple, but there's all these gates that are locked, and we're trying to figure out how to actually get inside. We finally found the entrance way back where we started. Wat Chedi Luang was built in the 15th century, and at the time it was the tallest structure in the city, standing roughly 270 feet high. It was home to the revered Emerald Buddha until the 16th century, when the upper part of the temple was destroyed by an earthquake.
He is large.
I can see the whole thing vibrating. It's like blurry.
I'm very excited about this. There are some sacred places in Thailand around the temples where only men are allowed to enter, so unfortunately neither of us can go in and see it or capture anything on video. This monk in a box is so realistic looking, you almost can't tell that it's fake. I feel like I'm at Madame Tussauds wax museum. He's just chilling in a box. There's definitely a very serene feeling about this place. Everything's very quiet. We're going over now to chat with some monks. I'm so excited.
YouTuber?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you watch YouTube?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yes. My name is Loi. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
When did you become a monk?
When I was 13.
13? Oh, wow. How old are you now?
24.
24. Wow, long time.
Long time, yes.
Yeah. Have you lived here the whole time?
I'm here for studies. I live in another district, for another temple, not this temple. Part of my internship, just come here for practice my English. My mom called me, what are you back home? I said, I'm not sure because I have full class.
Classic mom.
Yeah.
Always worried.
Yes, I was worried.
Do you enjoy being a monk?
It's not bad.
Not bad?
Sometimes just happy, sometimes unhappy.
Yeah.
Not only as a man, but just human too. Sometimes we control our mind, sometimes we lose control, sometimes we overthinking, sometimes we're happy. We have to practice to control our mind because sometimes we're happy too much from the outside.
What would you say is the most valuable thing you've learned in your time as a monk?
Everything is not permanent. Happy, just few time. Sad, just few time. Just stay with the present moment. Don't focus on the past and the future. Past we cannot go back to fix and to make the past better. We cannot go back. The future, we never know what will happen to me. That's why just stay with the present moment. Just stay right now. If you focus on the past, the future, it will make you feel bad and feel suffer. Sad. Don't focus on the outside, just focus on your mind.
We chatted with Loi for 15 minutes about his family, Buddhist beliefs, and daily routine at the temple, and he also gave us some great meditation tips. We really enjoyed meeting Loi and getting a glimpse into his life as a monk, and we totally recommend the Monk Chat program to anyone visiting Chiang Mai. We really enjoyed chatting with Loi, and now we're off to our next temple, Wat Phra Singh. There's definitely a very laid-back feeling to Chiang Mai. I think of all of the places we visited so far, there is the least tourists here. There's definitely still some, but the balance of locals to tourists feels a little more even.
Wat Phra Singh was built in 1345 and is one of Chiang Mai's most revered temples. It houses the second most important Buddha statue in Thailand, topped only by the Emerald Buddha. I can't believe how detailed and intricate all of the temples here are. There's so much gold and gemstones. It's mind-boggling how they built this all when these are hundreds of years old.
I was startled by these monks. They look so real. I swear I saw one of them move. Look at that kiwi.
Good thing we're wearing sandals because we've taken our shoes off so many times today.
Watching people bow in front of all of these Buddha statues is just so interesting to see people experience religion differently than I've seen religion be experienced my entire life.
We skipped our lunch to make sure we could get to the last two temples before they close, and it is 4:40 and I'm so hungry.
Fun fact, we have not really eaten anything spicy yet the entire time we've been in Thailand.
Nope.
Most dishes that we've gotten have either just came out not spicy or they asked us beforehand what level of spice we've wanted. And even whenever I say medium, I feel like they take one look at me and give me mild. So literally nothing's been overly spicy or anything.
Yeah, I order mild, she orders medium.
And they taste exactly the same.
They're definitely toning it down for you. You can handle a little bit of spice.
Barely.
I cannot. I am babby mild.
She is babby mild.
How she eats all her food. Mild for a babby.
Yeah, she started drinking the smoothie before I was filming.
I'm sorry, I was so thirsty.
How is it?
It's good. It's very cold
Whoa.
and very refreshing.
It just tastes like they took a pineapple and put it in a cup. The food has arrived. Look at the cute little bear! We got a plate of garlic pepper chicken with teddy bear rice.
Cute. His leg.
Not too shabby.
Sorry, bear. That's pretty good.
I'm digging it. Granted, I would eat anything right now.
Same.
Stay tuned. We got a lot more eating to do today.
Oh, yeah.
I'm feeling very sleepy after our lunch.
Me too. But refreshed. Ready to see one more
Time to
temple.
go curl up in a nice temple and take a nap.
I don't know if that's allowed, but maybe.
We just came up to the edge of the old city and right over on the other side of the moat is you're automatically slapped with KFC and Pizza Hut. So funny.
That's the new city.
Along with the moat, there used to be a big wall surrounding the entire city, and little remnants of it are still there, which is pretty cool to see. Wat Lok Moli is another one of the oldest temples in Chiang Mai. It's a much less popular temple to visit, but we liked it just as much, if not even more, than the others. We arrived just before sunset when all the lanterns were glowing and a peaceful atmosphere set in at the temple.
It's so cute in here. I love lanterns.
There's coins in his nose.
Yeah, right in there. I was gonna boop noses with them. Boop coins.
listening to these monks chant in the temple is such a cool experience, and it's interesting because it reminds me how little I know about Buddhism. I've been practicing meditation for 4 years now, and I know so little about where it actually comes from, so I'm excited to learn more. We're heading back to our hotel room to sit down for a few minutes, and then it's time to explore Chiang Mai at night. Oh yeah. Something I really love about Thailand is we're walking back to our hotel, just the two of us, and it's night now and it's dark out, and this isn't the busiest road, but there's a few people around, and I don't feel unsafe at all. And I haven't felt unsafe the entire time that I've been in Thailand. And like, it just occurred to me like how unusual that was in my life before. Anytime I was out in the United States on a road at night, just me and Hana, I was very, very aware of every single man that was anywhere near us. And here, I just don't feel like I have to feel that way all the time. It's awesome.
Our room looks so messy.
That looks amazing.
Well, we lollygagged long enough. Now it's time to go to the night market and get some food.
It's me falling asleep standing up. Don't worry about it.
Is that what happened? Oh dear.
There's actually a lot more than I expected going on in Chiang Mai. The whole way there's been food, drinks, everything. Well, I think we've made it because there's a crap load of people and stuff being sold, but I am only interested in the food. We found the food!
Thank goodness. I need energy. This market is huge. Now there's food everywhere and I don't know what to eat. But I do know for sure I need coconut ice cream and spring rolls.
We've been in Thailand for 3 weeks and we only have, I think, 8 or 9 days left. So the goal is to try all of the Thai food that we haven't gotten a chance to try yet. Weirdly, green curry, one of the most popular things ever, is something we haven't tried yet because we always just stick to red. So I'm excited to try it. It's quite good. I love curry so much. I don't care what color it is.
Green curry was delicious. Just a tiny bit spicy, although I will say that red curry is still my all-time favorite curry.
For sure, for sure. And it could have just been the vendor, but to me, red curry is packed with more flavor.
What should we eat next? There's so many options.
Thank you. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. This is pork with honey off the grill. I don't think it's Thai, but it looked too good to pass up. This sauce adds a little something, something. It's getting better and better. Poor little dude sitting in here looking at the menu like, oh crap, I'm next. What's up, guy? It's fine. No one's gonna eat you. Fresh out the fryer.
It's good and crispy. That's all you could ask for.
I always have these super ambitious eating goals whenever we go out to these markets, and then I eat like 2 things and I'm like completely stuffed. I'll try to make it through one more thing. This is literally one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. She chopped open the coconut, dumped the water out, took shavings of the coconut and left it all inside, then scooped in coconut ice cream, topped it with chocolate and nuts, and it's so adorable.
I'm so excited. I love coconut so much. I love markets. We both just ate so much food and we only spent like $7.58. That's incredible. I'm so full. Hello? Are you okay? Today was a very fun day. I really enjoyed exploring all around the city. The temples themselves were beautiful. The night market was a lot of fun. We had so much yummy food. It was a good day.
Yeesh.
Yes.
Yeesh. I am beat after walking around this entire town today.
Same.
I'm gonna sleep so good tonight.
Me too. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Stay wiggity. Another temple. Should we go? No. I love me some meat on a stick. What are you gonna say? A joke? About meat on a stick? Yeah, but I couldn't think of a good one. So typical. Such a filthy mind.